DM Tracker has some important new updates, and I'm going to show you what's new in this video right here. So first things first, in the Outreach tab, when adding new outreaches, you can now bulk apply reasons and messages. So if you were to add in usernames into these fields right here, and you want to apply the same reason and the same message to all of them, you can simply select all, select a reason, and select a specific message, and it will automatically apply it to all users, so you no longer need to select it for every single row. The second new feature that has come out are tags. If you go to your settings and tags, you are now able to set up a tag, such as, for example, hot lead, mark it with a specific color, and click on create tag. You can now go to your follow-up board, click on the username, and assign a tag. This will now allow you to filter by specific tags so that you can prioritize your follow-ups in a specific way. In order to get to the Instagram account, you no longer need to click on the username. You can now click on the Instagram logo to take you to the Instagram page. When clicking on the Instagram username, you can find not only the tags, but also the entire contact history as well as contact notes. If you want to add specific notes, you can do that right here, and it will be reflected in your contacts moving forward. You also have the ability now in your statistics, if you're running split tests for different outreach message variations, to see all in a much easier overview where you have a simpler overview of the different messages and reply rates. So especially when you have a lot of different messages, it makes it much easier to see each of them and their performance. We also have a new add-on section where you can book in a free VIP call with myself, one of the founders of DM Tracker, where I will audit your business and explain the exact strategies that you need to make more money in your Instagram DM. And if you're interested in getting an AI to handle conversations for you, you can book a call for that right here. With that being said, if you have any questions regarding the new features, please reach out to our support in the bottom right-hand corner, and we will be more than happy to help you out.